I'm shuffling. Hello you guys, we're back with some Castle Crashers on ER Gaming. YOLO!
I'm sorry, I'm Ricardo. Swag.
Okay, you're ready.
Yes, I am ready, baby.
Okay.
We like the dancing. Fight with me.
Oh, fuck you win. No! Fuck the tornado. You know how you can win? You need to jump with your magic. If you do the tornado. Oh, fuck. Oh, awesome.
I killed this guy.
You need to jump with your magic on the tornado. If you do it good, then you'll stop with it. Oh, fuck. See, it's pretty difficult. Answer me.
It's not easy.
Oh, fuck. You're almost dead. Look out.
Yes, I know. Like how we do.
I'm liking balls.
No, killing
Bitch. Oh, you can just hit him with your triangle when he do the tornado and then he will stop. YOLO. Just hit him with your triangle and then he will stop. YOLO.
We can
Stop! You're gonna die, walking bitch. Gonna want the AR gaming bitch. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah. Oh bitch. Oh bitch.
I killed this guy.
Bring the action. When the eyes in the floor. They're gonna turn my shit off. They're gonna turn my shit off. They're gonna turn. Bitch! You're gonna die for what you have done. I'm gonna. Fuck up 1 health! No,
you died.
Fuck. Just how you little bitch. Oh, no. Fuck yeah. There's so many of them, I don't know who is. The only thing I know is that he's the tornado. Fuck!
No. You cannot die.
I'm sorry, but you need to do it yourself. Ricardo, can you hear me? No. You need to listen really careful. I'm gonna die. You know it. I cannot live anymore. I'm too old. You need to kill the boss. Do you hear that?
No.
We can show this.
Less than 30 seconds left. If we don't kill him, we will die. I will die. Then you need to do
Headshot!
this for yourself.
Headshot! Yeah, headshot!
We won? We won?
No.
We won, you motherfuckers. Dun 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 dun.
Heal me.
Hello, little bitches.
1 heal. You are.
I have 0 health, man. 0 health in my ass. You won't want it because I'm a bad.
One more time.
For me also. He does the raining dance. Okay, let's go. I'm not scared of you, you little. Fuck, easy. Oh my god, look my heels. The fuck? We need to buy bombs or something. Shit.
No. No.
I'm game over. They fucked me. Don't
fuck me, my ass.
You need to listen, Ricardo. No.
I'll say it to you, but you don't listen. Don't listen. I listen to him.
Sorry,
Don't
it's
listen.
rain.
Hey, Ricardo,
Yes.
shall we skip it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're back.
Hello.
Kill the boss. So let's go. This time, Ricardo, easy. Don't get killed by the pig. Easy. Easy. Ah! Oh. Fuck. They're fucking scaring me. You need to hit them with your magic so they won't take you. Because they cannot use magic, the big boss. Oh, that's awesome. No! No! He had me! What? Welcome to Airship Anthony. Welcome and please sit down. You're gonna die.
Yes, I know.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh no. I thought I healed you with 798, but it was the thing.
My magic is good. They're big players.
The little bitches. The little bitches.
I like both of these.
I'm a boss bitches. You are boss bitches. I'm a boss bitches.
I like a bow baby, what you naked butts. The bitter pretty beast, but you're a killer alarm. Get
To the rain dance. Fuck the rain. Some people believe in the rain dance. Don't know why. If you don't know how I did the move from that I really hit many, 3 times, I'll forget it. Okay, this is gonna take years. And we're back. I skipped it because it was taking so fucking long. Oh, this part. Your bitch, you're going down. You just need to do this. Finish. I'm doing it easy.
Yes, man.
Whoa. Not so fast. I have to discuss some stuff. I want to break free. I don't know how to say it, Bear. But let me drink you. Let me drink you in the sky. I don't care if you die. Let me drink you. Let me drink you. Let me drink you in the sky. I for you. I don't know why, but I'm crying now because it's raining. Logic.
Under pressure. What do I gotta say?
My dance move are really smooth.
Smoothie, booty, booty.
And with my dance move, I mean my fighting skills, you motherfucker. No! It's not fair, they can do tornadoes and we not. We can do it with the other character. But not with this one. No! I use my fucking heal. Die, you little bitch! That's what you get if you sleep with my wife.
Check this.
Oh, I don't need to heal you so many because you're already gonna level up. It's looking like that is standing 1,550. Look. YOLO! YOLO! Okay, this is enough. You're gonna level up, so.
Yes, I know.
Boom! I don't know what to do here, but. Oh, yeah, I know it. You need to be the big guy and then remove the stone. The rock. I always forget. Okay, let me teabag you. You go first. You go first. Go. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the gas in my mouth makes me so. Now you. Go down. Okay. Oh, yeah. And now together. Okay. Why I'm running back? What the fuck? I'm running and then I'm running back. What the fuck? So,
I'm level up.
level up in it. You don't make me. Level up. Now, bitch. He's dead. He's dead, I say. The money's mine. Easy, okay? It's time. I don't know. It's so dark here, I can just fucking rape you here. Oh, yeah.
Yes. In a corner.
Okay, here. Oh, fucking good song for fucking someone.
Fitness song. Anthony's fitness song.
Yeah. Blood dropping. Whoa! What's
Where are you?
Where are you? I hate that fucking slimy bitch things. Why did I
My
live?
magic is good. My magic is good.
Wait. Now you need to fuck me hard in the ass. Okay, step 1 from having a relationship with someone. Step 1, tell her that we need to fuck.
No, we like that.
Step 2, tell her that we need to fuck. Step 3, you want me that I'm gonna tell you that? You really don't know it? So fucking easy. Tell me that you want to fuck her. And the last step. Fuck her without condom. And say, if you're a girl and you don't know how to tell your boyfriend that you're pregnant, you first give him a drink or something that you like, and then you tell him when he's drunk, I'm pregnant, and then he say, oh, that's good. You don't understand anything what I tell you. That's romantic, you little bitch. Have to get your trailer, little booty booty. You want to fuck me hard in the ass. You want to fuck me hard in the ass. How many slimies? My weapon is so thirsty. And I don't know if the slimies have blood. Oh, it never even a blood spot where I call it. What the fuck was that? Someone got you heard him or something, I don't know. The fuck?
Yes, I know.
Oh, it was from the slimies when you hit him.
Yeah,
That's right.
Whatever.
He's on your base.
Get away from my nice face.
I ripped it.
I got $1 in my pocket.
How to get your level up.
Easy bitch.
Easy bitch. Easy bitch.
They 0 times hit me.
Awesome.
Bitch. Whoa, easy. Don't. Dare touch my face. My face is beautiful. So don't you dare touch it. Is he dead? No slow motion walking.
Heal me, please. Heal me.
Okay, slow motion. Aye, what the fuck?
I do the moonwalk.
Look at his face. What the fuck? the fuck did they do with his face? It's like they raped him on his mouth. Easy, bitch. Ooh, that's the ugliest thing I ever see. Every day.
What the fuck?
It's a baby sound from someone's crying.
You hit my one time?
What's your health count?
Yes.
Oh my god, he's so fucking powerful. Kijk, look. What the fuck? He's not doing anything! Glitch! Stay no stairs! Oh, fuck! Ah.
What the fuck?
Look how many it hits. That was so fucking glitch. Fuck.
No.
Don't know how I do it, but fuck. The bitch is gonna die. I just know it.
I just know you're beautiful.
That face!
Oh,
It's making me angry.
what the fuck?
You little bitch. Come here then. Come here. Send him here. Send him. What? Ninja. Send him here. Come. Come here. Ricardo. Come here. Oh. It hits one. What the fuck? Meow, meow. Nay, don't cry, you little. I told you about this. I don't want mouth on mouth. Can I not heal you? Okay. No! No!
99! 999!
Why did this
I hit 999!
Why did this happen? Why did this happen?
Done.